Hello, I am just about to make some homemade almond butter in my new best friend, the Deluxe cooking blender. Charlotte just said, excuse me? So all that is in here right now is almonds. I roasted them in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees and then put them in here with 3 tablespoons of canola oil and half a teaspoon of salt. So this is pretty cool. I love this blender. So it's telling me I need to put the lid on. Just turn it on. Hey Emily, hi Janice. I'm gonna put the lid on. Makes a beautiful sound. Okay, watch this. So there are so many cool features on this. You can make a smoothie. It's got a smoothie setting. You can make milk alternatives. So if you want to make almond milk or oat milk or other kinds of milks, you can. It's got a setting for that. Grind is what I'm going to use to make the almond butter, but there's a soup setting. These are really cool. All of these are heated features. So you can put vegetables, raw vegetables in here, turn it to soup, and then in about 30 minutes you have piping hot, delicious soup. Heated puree, we've actually, yeah, Charlotte's saying baby food, baby food. We've made baby food with this and it's pretty fun. The jam setting, this is another patent pending feature. Just put some fruits in there and then you can make jam. And then the sauce one, there's an amazing recipe for like nacho queso and it is delicious. But I'm going to put it on grind and these almonds are going to turn into almond butter. Get excited, people. I hope you're cheering right now. Ready? Ready? Here goes. Ooh. So sometimes the nuts get stuck up the wall and you just use the tamper to get it down there and it'll turn into delicious nut butter. Just get it down there. Let's get in there so you can see. Woo. So we got about 1 minute and 30 seconds left. There you go. Oh yeah, it's already getting into nut butter. So delicious. Go, go, go! And there you go. Some incredible almond butter. How cool is that? Okay, but the best part of this whole thing, so I'm going to open this up this tamper is really cool. It's really useful for when you're on the grind setting and you're doing things like nut butter and the stuff climbs up the wall, because it's actually, I don't know if you can see that, but it will never touch the blade. So it's just very cool. But the best feature of this whole thing, so let's just open this up so you can take a look at the delicious almond butter that's in there. The best feature of the whole thing, can you guess what it is? After I empty the almond butter out of here, I fill it up to 3 cups, put in a drop of soap, and then there's a heated wash feature. So, what? You
fill it up with water.
Yeah, sorry. 3 cups with water and a drop of soap, and it's got a heated wash setting, and it cleans itself. So it is so cool because almond butter, like this stuff's sticky. The self-clean feature is brilliant, and it's heated. So what's super cool about this cooking blender is it is comparable to top-of-the-line blenders like the Vitamix and the Blendtec and all those things, but it's got the heating element in it, so it can cook. It doesn't just warm things, it cooks. So the heated wash is what's so awesome, because it's like turns itself into a dishwasher. How cool is that? Anyways, I've got some almond butter to shove into my face. I'll talk to you later. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.